Winners are picked from our comments section, but they will only be notified of their win in our videos, meaning when you're watching a video, if you won, it'll be mentioned in there, whoever the winners are, as they do win. So you must subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when new videos come out. This means you also need to type a comment, and we would love it if you'd participate. So thank you for watching. They're at it again. Dan Ives, Wedbush. Price target $1,300. Biden 10 grand. EV credit. Tesla stock outlook looks to soar 1,300 per share, driven by Biden's 10K EV tax credits. Wow. You know, in the province of Quebec, which is where I am right now, you have $13,000 at the end of last year as a tax credit if you picked up an SR Model 3, which is what I did. Stock price soared during Monday. These credits make a big difference. They really do, pushing people over the edge to buy. So stock price soared during Monday trading following the report of impressive Q1 2021 delivery and production numbers last Friday. Bullish analyst Dan Ives of Wedbush, who boosted his outlook on Tesla stock to outperform from a hold rating following the Q1 figures, believes that the stock could cross the 1,300 mark in the coming months. You know, Tesla stock, it gets pounded down a bit, it parks, it takes a nap, and then it just keeps exploding. It's the same pattern over and over and over again. It's a good pattern. Especially now, okay, here we go. So, especially if Joe Biden's planned EV tax credit is pushed through, Wedbush sources indicate that the previously thought 7,000 credit would be increased to 10,000, further incentivizing car buyers to purchase electric powertrains instead of gas-powered ones. The train has left the station. That's with EV, there's no doubt. Ives is coming off a Monday price target increase to 1,000 with a bullish scenario of 1,300, and his bull case is not necessarily influenced directly by Tesla's increased sales and delivery figures that were solely fueled by the demand for the Model 3 and Model Y. Instead, President Joe Biden's EV tax credit, a long-awaited returning incentive for many EV enthusiasts, is about to be reintroduced. Several sources in Washington, D.C. who have spoken to Ives or Wedbush indicate that it could be a sum of 10,000 instead of the 7,500 or 7,000 that have been discussed for several months. We're hearing from our contacts in the Beltway. By the way, anybody that drives a Tesla or understands that this is unlike any other car you've ever driven. It converts non-car people that could care less about cars, it turns them into car enthusiasts. You got something here that has really influenced the entire industry, and it can only do one thing. It's going to continue to go up. You have an ecosystem built within, like I say, the ultimate water cooler, technological water cooler that they've built into a car, which makes people keep coming back for more. And the more you make them come back, and as you build out an app store and as FSD kicks in, this is going to be like a magnet that just keeps getting stronger and stronger. We're hearing from our contacts in the Beltway that $7,500 credit, I know I read it already, could potentially be 10,000, I think I did, in terms of a credit. And that's going to be a massive catalyst, not just for Tesla, but for the EV ecosystem in the US, Ives said to Yahoo Finance. The current EV tax credit amounts to $7,500, but could be reintroduced to apply to the automakers who have sold at least 200,000 battery-powered cars. Tesla and General Motors have both surpassed this threshold, effectively disqualifying them for giving consumers the credit. Too bad. The plan bodes well for many EV manufacturers, not just those who have rolled out 200,000 or more deliveries. Yeah, it's going to reinstate. President Biden has been vocal about the possibility of introducing several bills and spending plans that would accelerate the production of electric vehicles and enhance the incentives that encourage consumers to purchase them. Last week, Biden announced a $174 billion aid package that would assist the growth of EV companies. The aid package's main point would be to help the U.S. EV market accelerate to grow to the size of the highly competitive Chinese EV market, a region that Tesla has found immense amounts of success. Well, for sure, and it's super new out there, so they're going to pound those Teslas down like hotcakes. Tesla and other EV stocks boost with Biden's $174 billion aid plan. The president believes that the US EV market size compared to the Chinese EV market must change. He is proposing a $174 billion investment to win the EV market, the White House said in a statement. Whether the EV tax credit is increased to $10,000 remains to be seen, and ultimately it'll come down to the Biden administration's ultimate discretion. Rest assured, Ives believes an increased EV tax credit will pay dividends for Tesla if it goes through. Although there has been a painful sell-off for Tesla stock this year, I think this is just the start of a massive rally of 30% to 40%, Ives added. Look, they're at the S&P. Big fund movers are buying it through the yin-yang. They have to. Interest is growing. The technology is only going to get better. It's early days. Not investment advice, just my opinion. But if you want to put some money in, you're not going to lose your money. That's my opinion. You're only going to double. I think it's going to double by the end of the year. Something crazy is going to happen with FSD. Stock's going to go boom, and you're going to be a happy camper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, the like button, make a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video.